Good evening everyone. My name is Shalika and my child is studying in DAV RK Sector 9. Her name is Nancy. She is in 5B. I am here to share my experience regarding the teachers and the school, that what efforts they are doing in such a difficult situations. As we all know, the COVID-19 is spreading very fast in the country. So the government has decided not to go outside, be at home and stay safe at home. So the schools are not going to open for how many days, that we don't know. So the students are not going to school, the regular studies are missing. So the school has decided an online learning medium, that is WhatsApp. We all use WhatsApp. The concerned class teacher, the subject teachers are providing on daily basis the study material to the students, so that they can, being at home, they can study. They should not waste their time and energy. The teachers are providing different kind of study materials. They are providing MCQs, they are providing the PPTs, they are providing PDF files, so that each and every concept they can be clarified to the child. They have given their numbers in WhatsApp group. If we, the parents, have any kind of questions, any kind of query, we can also call them and ask for help. They all time they are available for us. I am very thankful to the teachers and to the school that they are providing such kind of guidance to the students. Not even the study material, they are also providing extracurricular activities, like they are giving some kind of artwork to the students, some model working, so that the students stay busy in doing the activities at home. They should not feel bored or anything else. So I am thankful to the teachers, and I can show you that how they are providing the study. I have my child's notebook. I am doing the work in the previous year notebook. They have said that you can use the previous year notebooks. I can show you that they are giving these pictures, these notes and everything we are writing. These sheets they are providing in mails, and we are doing these. And when to summarize, they are also giving the recapitulation sheets, so that what the student has learned throughout the chapter, we can also recapitalize it. So I just want to thank the teachers that whatever the work they are doing, we are very thankful to you. Thank you so much. And it's a request from myself also to, in this situation, please be at home and be safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Devasmita Kar. I am mother of Arnab Kar, class 5th, DAV Public School, RK Puram. Today I want to thank all the teachers of DAV Public School for their initiative and contribution during the crucial time of lockdown. They have formed a WhatsApp group where we get all the informations related to study in that group. They share they share many PPTs, various type of activity in that group, and they also gives instruction to the parents how to explain it to the student so that he or she can grab it properly. And they many times they share videos and audio clips to make it clear for the student. They share question answer of that chapter, especially the practice worksheet for the student. And they share many useful information in that group. Sometimes they assign project which is not only interesting but also we can be made by the household things, or maybe it can be made by the waste material. So the kids are very excited to do that, and thank God they got engaged in the time of lockdown. And they also most importantly they're conducting online assessment for the student, and they are giving craft work to do, and so many things they are taking initiative to engage the children and also make them learn. I really want to thank all the teacher from bottom of my heart for their initiatives and their contribution during the lockdown period. Thank you very much.